Transcription quiz number 7. Dear Mr. Templeton, as you have undoubtedly already heard, Dr. Ruth C. Moses passed away suddenly on Sunday, August 27, period. Students and faculty alike will miss her friendship, her thoughtfulness, and her devotion to the entire field of general education. Paragraph. Because Dr. Moses was so vitally interested in the development and progress of her students, we have established the Moses Scholarship Fund in her memory, period. The fund will be administered by the Economics Division, which Dr. Moses supervised for so many years. Paragraph. If you would like to make a contribution to this fund, please send it to me in the envelope that is enclosed, period. I will see that it is transmitted to the treasurer of the fund, period. Sincerely yours,